You like the water, huh, bud?
I gotta get Mike.
To your pelvis. You like them birds, Jude? Good old Amos is here to be your avatar. Keep you moving. Go get them birds!
Once he gets the grip, then he's good. Do that again. Let's stop and get some buckets of toys, some sand past
Don't touch it?
Is this his first time on the beach? No. But this beach, actually in, yeah.
Is it okay if he kind of plays and
Yeah.
gets a little dirty?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, we should build.
No one got in the water? How about this for a beach day, huh, Carol?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Crazy. What do you got going there, baby?
So I think we're gonna have to pack up. Here we go. Nice, Amos.
Jake, you got right in line.
I'm sorry.
That was payback. What do you got going there?
Zufu wanted to build sandcastles with you.
He's like, I got this dirt crap.
It's like, I don't know about this.
Not into the sand in your fingers, are you, buddy?
What are you doing? Look at this one.
What do you think, buddy? Hey, buddy.
Jude.
Not too sure about all of it?
Not too sure about anything.
Jumping jacks.
Oh, all the new stuff.
Figuring things out.
Do the dolphin. Make a dolphin shape. Look, Jude.
Hey, buddy. What do you think? Is it fun, or is this just all kind of weird? What good is this if you can't put it in your mouth?
Let's see here. Get this big pile up here. There we go.
Can we go look at the mermaid? Jealous. Look at the mermaid. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. We need a picture of that. Oh, wow, you girls rock.
Going to be a Fraggle Rock underground world.
Oh, you need to help. Yeah, I don't think you want to let